Hi guys, today we have to convert 525 over 1000 to a decimal. We have choices here A, B, C, D. We'll see which one is correct. So when you have a fraction where the denominator is a power of 10, like 10, 100 or 1000, converting it to a decimal is actually easy. Look at the number of zeros in the denominator. The number 1000 has 3 zeros, okay? That means our decimal point needs to move 3 places to the left from the numerator. 1, 0, 2, 0, and the third 0 is here. So we have 3 decimal places. So we'll move from here 3 places. 1 and 2, 3. So the decimal will be here. Our answer will be 0.525. So the answer is C. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.